Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Sheets template for depreciation tracking step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Sheets website. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. In the top left corner, click on the Template Gallery option. Scroll through the available templates to find the one suitable for depreciation tracking. If you don't see a relevant template, use the search bar at the top. Type in depreciation tracking and press enter. Review the search results for a suitable template. Once you find a template, click on it to open a preview. In the preview, click the Use this template button at the top right corner. A new Google Sheets document will open, featuring the selected template. Take a moment to review the information already included in the template. Customize it as needed by editing any fields or sections. When you are satisfied with your changes, go to the top left corner. Click on File, then select Make a Copy from the drop-down menu. In the pop-up window, rename the document as desired. Choose the location in your Google Drive where you want to save the file. Click OK to create your copy. Now you have your own version of the depreciation tracking template. You can modify it anytime as your needs change. To access your saved template later, go to your Google Drive. Locate the file by using the search bar or browsing through your folders. Open the document whenever you need to update or review your depreciation tracking. You are now set to manage your depreciation tracking efficiently using Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.